Hello, if you're a beginner guitar player and you're playing an electric guitar and acoustic guitar and you're not sure if you should be using a thick pick versus a thin pick, well, you're in the right place, because today I'm going to give you all the tips you need to know to use the proper pick, and that's coming up. Welcome to Your Guitar Guide, where I'm going to give you tips to show you which pick will work best for you. And stay tuned to the end, because I've got a bonus on how to hold a pick. So let's get to it. So if you're that guitar player that's playing with an electric guitar and you're not sure whether you need to use a thick pick or versus a thin pick, well, on an electric guitar it's much easier to use a thicker pick to pick the strings. If you're a beginner guitarist and you have an electric guitar, you may want to start with the thinner pick till you get the hang of it. It's got more flexibility, and then work your way up to a thicker pick. When I say a fat pick like this one here, I'm talking about the thickness of the pick, and picks are measured by gauge. Like this one here is at that one's a 0.60 millimeter. It's fairly thick. We've got medium sized picks, and we've got really thin picks, which are more flexible. And then we've got thick picks like this 0.88 millimeter. It's pretty thick. Works great on electric guitar, but if you're a beginner, you might want to start out with the thin pick and work your way up. Also, picks are made out of different materials, which give them a unique sound when you're picking the strings. You have like nylon picks, Tortex, and celluloid picks, all giving it a unique sound. Hey, if I'm giving you any value in this video, can you click the like button and consider subscribing? Click that bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And if you're an acoustic guitar player, thin picks are very flexible and they work great for strumming the guitar. What I would recommend starting out is getting an assortment of picks. They come in all different thicknesses and material and shapes even. I like using this teardrop shape, but they do make bigger picks. So get yourself an assortment of picks and try them all out until you get the one that's right for you. And check the first link in the description if you want to get an assortment of picks. Now, like I said, I had a bonus round here where I was going to show you how to hold a guitar pick. But first, let me give you the question of the day. Right now, what pick are you using? Are you using a thick pick versus a thin pick? Let me know in the comments. The proper way to hold a guitar pick: hold your finger out and it should be parallel to your body. Put the pick on top of your finger, and it's like an extension of your fingernail. Make sure it's on the very end of your finger. You don't want it up here. You want it down low here. Put your thumb on top of the pick, and then you want your pick to be facing the strings. That's the proper way to hold the pick. So if you like this video and you want to learn more about how to pick the strings, make sure you check this video next.